Hello students, today you will learn about expressing fractions and mixed numbers as decimals and expressing decimals as fractions or mixed numbers. Let us first learn how to express fractions and mixed numbers as decimals. Now students, look at this question, 2 by 1000. Suppose we are asked to express 2 by 1000 as a decimal. Students, the decimal form of 2 by 1000 or 2000s is 0.002. Students, we can see that the digits in the tens and in the hundreds place are zeros because there are no digit in the hundreds and tens place. So we have to put 0 here in tens and hundreds place. Now students, when we write thousands as a decimal, the decimal has 3 decimal places. That means after the point there should be 3 digits. So students, in this way a fraction is expressed as a decimal. Now students, look at this question, 58 120 by 1000. Suppose we are asked to express this mixed number as a decimal. Students, 58 120 by 1000 can also be written as 58 plus 120 by 1000. So in the next step, we can write 58 plus 120 by 1000 because this is same as 58 120 by 1000. Now in the next step, we will change this fraction 120 by 1000 into a decimal and 58 will remain the same. So students, in the next step, 58 will remain as it is and instead of writing 120 by 1000, I will write the fraction in a decimal form. So the decimal form for this fraction will be 0.120. Since there are 3 zeros in the denominator, there should be 3 decimal places after the point. That is, there should be 3 digits after the point. Now students, when we add 58 and 0.120, we get 58.120. So in the next step, we will write 58.120. So students, in this way, a mixed number can be expressed as a decimal. Now students, look at this question, 439 by 1000. This is also a mixed number. Suppose we want to express this mixed number as a decimal. So what we will do is, in the next step, we will write this mixed number as 4 plus 39 by 1000. And students, in the next step, we will change this fraction 39 by 1000 as a decimal and 4 will remain as it is. So in the next step, 4 will remain as it is and the fraction 39 by 1000 can be written as 0.039. Now students, look at this decimal. Here, the digit in the tens place is 0, but the digit in the hundreds place is not 0. The reason is that there was a digit in the hundreds place here, 3 was in the hundreds place, but there is no digit in the tenths place. So in tenths place we put a 0, since there was no digit in the tenths place here. Now we need to add 4 and 0.039. So when we add them, we get 4.039. So in the next step, we will write 4.039. Now we will learn how to express decimals as fractions or mixed numbers. Now students, look at this question. 0.014. Suppose we want to express this decimal as a fraction. Students, 0.014 has 100 and 4 thousandths. So, in the fraction form, it can be written as 14 by 1000. Students, 14 by 1000 is also equal to 0.014. So, 0.014 can be written as 14 by 1000. Now students, look at this decimal number, 5.139. Suppose we are asked to write this decimal number as a mixed number. Students, 5.139 can be written as 5 plus 0.139. So in the next step, we will write 5.139 as 5 plus 0.139. Now students, since we are asked to change this into a mixed number, we will first change this decimal into a fraction, and 5 will remain the same. So in the next step, 5 will remain the same, and in place of 0.139, I will write 139 by 1000. Students, in the fraction, the denominator has 3 zeros because there are 3 decimal places after the point. Now students, 5 plus 139 by 1000 can be written as 5 139 by 1000. So students, in this way, we can express a decimal as a mixed number. That's all for today. Thank you.